What's going on, guys? Welcome back to RJ and the Fam. I'm RJ, and this is
Kaydon.
Kaydon.
Like always.
All right, and I have my lovely wife behind the camera.
Yes.
Hey guys.
We just had
It's my hand.
a great day of spending some family time together in Raleigh today, Raleigh, North Carolina. We live close to there. Got Kaydon his early birthday present, and we came home to a Geek Fuel box. So we decided to open it and show you what's inside. So let's get started. All right, so this is the Geek Fuel box for September of 2020. And as always,
It's not breakable.
sounds like something.
Like a put, you know what?
Sounds loose.
It might be like for like a package for like sometimes like the old cars we had, like you kind of choke around.
Maybe. So let's open it up and let's see what's inside.
It's probably like a bell.
A bell, you think?
Or like a keychain.
Alright, so as always, we're going to let you see first. But before we get started, I noticed that over half of y'all watching these videos are not subbed to our channel. Alright? That breaks my heart. Does it break your heart? So, we ask that you subscribe to this channel.
Please.
If you like it, give this video a like.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
We're not on Facebook or Instagram. Maybe we should be. I don't know. Go watch some more of our videos. We did another Geek Fuel box for August, and we'll link that right here. Somewhere. It'll be somewhere. All right. So let's open up the box. All right. Don't look. Don't cheat.
I'm not. I'm literally.
So we're gonna put this to the side. This is the cheat sheet, and it has. We're not gonna open it up yet, but it has. What is this?
Let me see it.
It's like a movie theaters. Oh, it has like movie theaters, like a old-timey retro movie theater thing, cinema type thing. Maybe that's this month's.
Cinnamon box.
I can't talk, guys. This is like past 9 o'clock. We're trying to film this.
Yes.
It's almost 10 o'clock, and we have church in the morning. Anyways, it's a cool card. All right, so we're gonna read that at the end, though. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what the first thing is. It's a
That was rattling around.
Geek Fuel.
It might be.
What is this? The Werewolf, High School Werewolf. Again, I can't think. I'm drawing a blank. It's the werewolf. He went to high school. He like played basketball and stuff like that. Oh my goodness. Anyways, there's some cool pins for it. So
that was rattling around.
So that's number one. What is that called? I'm not gonna look it up.
Teen Wolf?
Teen Wolf. That's it. Teen Wolf. Yes.
Teen Wolf.
So all right. Let's see what this one is. This is it's a phone box.
Is there
What
a
do you
phone?
think it could be?
What if there's a phone inside?
No. Alright, it's a red phone box.
Wait, hold on. First we open.
Is it Bill and Ted Excellent Adventures? You know what I'm talking about? Where they? Oh, it's a T-shirt.
Oh.
Yes.
It probably is.
It is. All right, it's the Bill and Ted.
Smells like the book, like you like.
And it has
Wild Stallions.
Wild Stallions. I should have known by the WS on the phone book, but they travel around time in the phone book, and they travel around in the phone book. They travel around time in the phone booth, and they actually have a new movie out right now. So, all right,
Yeah.
let's see how this looks on me. All right, does that look good?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Does it feel good?
Mhm.
Feels pretty good. The neck
Mine
is a little bit tight.
I'm just.
No, it's not. I don't think I have it backwards. No. No, the tag's in the back. Yeah, I can
There's
feel it.
like a symbol on
Has
that.
WS for Wild Stallions. We watched this the other night.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you remember that. So, all right, let's go on to the next one. do this one. Oh, it's a Ninja Turtles. Donatello. All right,
is
he's-
that license on that?
No, it just tells you what he is. All right, he is my favorite Ninja Turtle because I always like the bow staff. I don't know why.
My favorite.
It was just really cool to watch, or really cool to just pretend to be him because you just grab a stick and you have a bow staff. So it has some facts about him on the back right here.
Yeah.
It says.
Cool.
Donatello, the turtle's creative genius. So his weapons is the bow staff. Birthplace is Joe's pet palace. And he's 4 foot on 2 legs. No way, I thought he was taller than that. All right. He's 15 years old. He weighs 145 pounds with the shell. And the shell is as hard as tank armor. So you can get some Foot Clan ones in the back too. That's really cool. That's super cool. I really like this.
Yeah, my favorite is the one with the blue thingy.
The blue, what do you mean? Oh, the blue bandana?
Yeah.
Leonardo?
Huh.
Yeah, that one's pretty cool.
He's like basically, he's kind of basically the main person.
Mm-hmm.
But they all like pizza.
Let's see.
Red one.
And this is the last one. Make sure. And it's a puzzle.
Ooh.
What kind of puzzle? I don't know what kind of puzzle this is. I think it's just a Geek Fuel puzzle. All right, let's look at the cheat sheet and see what all we got. All right, here's the cheat sheet. You can see you could get, could have got any one of the 4 Ninja Turtles.
Yeah.
It says COWABUNGA. Get ready for a blast from the past with the 1980s styling of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles reaction figures. These plastic action figures are styled to look like the classic toys of decades gone by, with colorful details that remind you of the figures you may have had as a kid or always wanted. Each 3 and a 3/4 scale figure comes with accessories on the card back featuring awesome brand new art. The next, as of what I'm wearing right now, is the Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. All right, Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. So from sunny San Dimas, California, we bring you to this most excellent exclusive t-shirt featuring possibly the most powerful band of the last 2,000 years, Wild Stallions. We'll have to wait for the 3rd chapter to find out if it's true or not, but in the meantime, be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. All right, and there's a bogus bonus sticker. I did get that. I just didn't see it. Boom, there it is. Be excellent to each other. I like that. I'm not to put that on my water bottle or something. All right. We have the Beacon Town button set, the 2-pack. These waves are mine edition. You'll be the coolest kid in Beacon Town High School with a pair of new buttons, admiring yourself in the mirror. You're an animal. How? All right, it's from Team Wolf. Guys, I'm struggling tonight.
Yes.
If you've made it this far, kudos. So this is just an exclusive Geek Fuel Booty Traps Edition 300-piece puzzle. That's what I said. This 300-piece puzzle probably won't lead you to the pirate treasure, but hey, you guys, it still provide a few hours of fun. We're not saying it'd be an easy task. It could be a rocky road ahead, but guaranteed to be an adventure. Oh, okay. Is this? I should have known. Okay, I should have known. This is from the Goonies.
Yes.
It just says Geek Fuel, and it kind of threw me off. But it has the different. It has. I guess it's from exclusively the Goonies. Yeah, I believe it is. Yeah, it is. Because it has a bunch of stuff from the Goonies. It has the card from it. The
money sword.
the workout band. I'm pretty sure this is from the Goonies. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments. So, all right, I think that's all we got in this box. We got the cool puzzle piece. We got Donatello. We got the cool sticker. Be excellent to each other. I don't know if you can see that or not. The pins are from Teen Wolf, not Teen Werewolf. I did watch some of it growing up, but I don't remember a lot from it, obviously. So
Wolf and werewolf is basically the same thing.
So that's everything we got. What did you think of this month's box? The
Pretty
September Geek Fuel 2020 box.
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite thing?
I think this is one of my favorite because it has a staff and some pizza comes with it, like a little piece of pizza.
Mine would be, I know this is weird, but the sticker be excellent to each other. It's just really cool. I like it. So, anyways, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would, please subscribe to our channel. It would really help us out.
Yeah.
And we'll be doing more of this stuff in the future. So, until next time, we'll see you later.
Catch you later.